I'm going to be showing you how to fix your connection is not private in Google Chrome. So if you're seeing a notification that says your connection is not private, it means that Chrome cannot verify the website's SSL certificate, which helps protect your info. Here's how to fix it based on what's causing the issue. The first thing you can do is check the date and time on your device. So make sure it's syncing with internet time, or you can just have your time set automatically by your computer. The second thing you can do is clear your browser's cache. So just look at the top here, right here, you can see 3-dot button. Just go to settings, it's right at the bottom. Just tap on the search settings and type in cache. As you can see, you have delete browsing data. Just go ahead and tap there. Now you can delete cached images and files. Just go ahead and tap on delete data and you have successfully cleared your browser cache. The third thing you can do is use incognito mode. So this is the safest method that requires no effort at all. You just need to use Control Shift and N on Windows and Command plus Shift plus N on your MacBook. So this way you can successfully fix this problem. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.